Okay, one thing I wanted to say before I take all this off is y'all gotta make sure 1.8 liter, come on, 1.8 liter 2005 VW Beetle 1.8 liter engine coolant flange. That's it. I got another one, accidentally got a 2.0. It does not look like this. It does not have this same shape. See? Same shape, same shape. You got to make sure you got the right one, because you're going to take it off and you're going to have a couple extra little openings that you don't got any tubes for. 2.0 has other, it's a different shape. It's similar, but it has a couple more tubings everywhere, and I already have that in the back seat there, and I didn't open it because it didn't look the same. Anyway, want to make sure you guys know that.